This is Sir Mac waiting for his daddy to come home. He's sitting in front door. The snoring, yes. Are you waking up, Mac? Yeah, you waking up? He's waiting for his daddy. Isn't it pitiful?